everyone, welcome to this video on the influence of psychology on decision making. Have you ever wondered why two people faced with the same situation can make completely different decisions? The answer often lies in psychology. Human decisions are not just based on logic or fact. They are heavily influenced by emotions, thought, and mental biases. Today, we explore the main psychological factors that affect decisions, some decision-making models, and why understanding psychological is important for managers and individuals. Now, let's start with the main psychological factors that influence decision-making. First, cognitive biases. These are mental shortcuts that can lead to systematic error in judgment. Example includes overconfidence where someone overestimate their knowledge or abilities, incurring which happen when people rely too heavily on the first piece of information. They and confirmation bias when individuals seek information that support what they already believe. Next, emotions play a hug role. Fear, stress, happiness, and excitement can all affect how we make choices. For example, a stress manager might avoid risky investment even if the potential gain is high. Perception is another factor. How people interpret and understand information shapes their decisions. Two people may see the same financial report or situation but draw different conclusions based on their perspective. Finally, motivation. Our personal goals, needs, or desires strongly influence the choice we make. For instance, an employee aiming for a promotion may take more initiative, while someone less motivated may stick to minimum requirements. Now, let's look at some decision-making models that incorporate psychological insight. The rational model assumes that decisions are made logically based on full information and clear analysis, while in real life this is often not practical. That's where bounded rationality. That's where bounded rationality comes in. This model suggests that our decisions are limited by the information we have, the time available, and our cognitive capacity. We often simplify complex problems and make satisfaction choice rather than perfect one. Respect theory is another important model. It explains that people value losses more than equivalent gains, meaning they make more risks to avoid losses than to achieve gains. Lastly, intuitive decision making. Making believe on experience and gut feelings, while less analytical intuition can be surprisingly effective, especially in complex or fast-moving situations. So, why should we care about psychological decision making? First, understanding these factors help manager predict employee behavior and reduce error. By being aware of biases and emotional influence, they can guide teams toward better outcomes. Second, it improves both personal and organizational decision making. Knowing how our own thought and feelings affect our choices allow us to make more rational, balanced decisions. Third is intense risk assessment, problem solving, and planning. Organizations that account for psychological influence are better at adapting to uncertainty and making strategic choices. In conclusion, psychological is an essential part of decision making. By understanding the human mind, we can make smarter, more informed, and effective decisions in both personal and professional life. Thank you for watching, and remember, the great decisions start with understanding the psychology behind them. Thank you, bye-bye.